I've been watching this 60 Minutes Australia about AI thingy.
How are we going to protect Australian workers?
I've seen wave after wave of technological change in Australian workplaces. We should have confidence about adopting this new technology, lifting the skills of workers so that we can be confident about the future for workers.
So, hindi ko pa siya natapos panoorin kasi biglang pumasok sa isip ko at napatanong ako kung ano ba yung mga trabaho na cannot be replaced by AI. So, tinanong ko ang ChatGPT at ito yung sinabi niya. According to ChatGPT, here are some categories of jobs that AI is unlikely to replace completely. Yung mga jobs na human-centered care jobs includes doctors, nurses, aged care, child care, therapies, and social workers. Safe pa tayo mga inday. These jobs requires empathy, trust, and human touch, not just data. Okay, sa mga childcare workers dyan, kapit lang. Hindi pa tayo nanganganib.